Right, we're going to start part 7, the axle. So I'm going to start a sketch. Start with a line. Got a lot of dimensions to put on here, so let's see, 0.05 up. And then over 0.07. And back down to 0.05. And then over 0.37. And then down 0.02. In 0.05. Down 0.03. Over 0.33. Down 0.095. Over 0.06. Up 0.095. Over 0.19. Whoops. .19. Up 0.03. Let's move this thing over a little bit. Over 0.25. Up 0.025. Over 0.05. Down. Let's see, how far down is that? 0.01, I believe. And then that'll go all the way to here to fill it in, I hope. Okay. See, we need an axis to revolve around this thing, don't we? So we need a construction line, and let's see, from there it'd be, well, actually we know what it'd be right around this line right here. We could revolve around that line. So that should be already good. So let's finish the sketch and click revolve, and axis will be that one, and there it goes. Okay, I need to put the two little notches in the top. So I'm going to add a couple work things in here. I'm going to put in a work axis down through the middle. So I have a work axis. I'm going to turn on the XZ plane. I'm going to right click on the XZ plane and click on visible, so it'll be visible there. So now if I turn this around, you can see I have an axis down the middle I got there. And I'm going to offset a plane out here a little bit so that I can draw on. So I'm going to do an offset plane. Click on this plane here. And let's come out like 0.1. Okay, so if I kind of spin that around, you can see what I've done here. I got an offset plane. And Do top. I'm gonna draw on this plane. Start a sketch. Click on that plane. I want to project the geometry of some things on here. The top there. That would be nice. That's good. And so I'm going to make a rectangle. And I'm going to do a 3-point rectangle. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to figure out where was the center of this rectangle. So the rectangle is 0.04 by 0.2. So I'm going to make a line, I think, first. Maybe that'll help. That's construction line. I'm click construction. Come up here. I can get on this point here because I've projected the geometry. I can come down 0.1 halfway down. And that'll be the center of the rectangle. So now I can get unclick the construction. I'll get a rectangle, a 3-point rectangle, which means I'm going to start at my center of my rectangle. I'll go up to the top edge and then go over to be how wide I want it to be, and that's going to be 0.04. And so now I have a rectangle there, and that'll be good. And so all I have to do is finish the sketch. I can extrude that. We're gonna click on cut, and we're gonna go all the way through. Let's turn this around and see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, I guess I don't do that. Well, it doesn't matter. Well, that's good enough. I went through all the way through it and I've cut it, so I'm gonna stop that. I can come here and turn off the visibility on the work planes. There's a work axis. I'll turn that off. Another work plane visibility, so I can get that all there. And glossy gold. Okay, so there is my connector piece, my axle.